can see it. When you stand here, first your hands. Akash, for you especially, I'm telling you. You have your hand like this. This is wrong posture. Keep your hand here, over your belt. If I had, then I had also over your belt. Feet gap should not be more than this. It should not be like this and not less than this. I can say between 5 to 9 inch. Keep your hand back. If you want to use your hand, you can bring your hand here. I am looking good. If you want to bring your hand, you can bring your hand here also. But in this case, you will not have your hand like this. Right? Then you will just have it. Shine up. Don't look like this. Look at people. And if you do not want to look at the people, look at the head of people. Look at the backbone. At one point, second point, and the third point. People will think you are looking at them. Don't look into their eyes. That might, in the beginning, might create hesitation. You are going above like this. You wanted to check the difference between 2 feet. Good morning, one and all present here. I am Pankaj today, standing in front of you to take your attention towards the topic, mobile phone. Mobile means anything which can move from the one place to another place. And the phone is a communication device. And when this communication device got the wings, when it started moving, we started calling it a mobile phone, which has made our communication very easy and given us a freedom from the 2.5 feet of the wire, sitting in one corner and talking to somebody. It has enabled us to talk while we walk. This is what the mobile phone is. But today it is more than the communication. It helps us capturing the precious moment of our life anywhere in the world. As carrying a DSLR camera becomes really difficult with the present camera in the mobile phone. Moreover, getting bored while travel, watch your favorite movie, web series, or listen to your favorite songs, favorite numbers, play the games on it. It becomes your best buddy. Not able to take out the time for the friends. All the social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchats keep you in the touch of the entire world and especially with your friends. You stay updated. All of us, you and I, want to have a personal assistant. We have today in our pocket. That 150 gram of the device wakes you up on the time with alarm. It reminds you all the tasks with reminder. And that helps you to make the to-do list. Isn't it a personal assistant for free? It has not only given wings to the communication but to the business too. Businessman does not have to sit and wait for a phone call or the letter. On the go, receiving a call, receiving a letter, replying a letter, or even attending the conference while travel has become easy through the mobile phone. It will not be wrong if I say 5 billions or trillions square meter market is there in your pocket today. Tap on the screen, the product loved by you, desired by you, delivered at your home. eBay, Mantra, Flipkart, Amazon, there are many applications doing the same work for you today. Even same for the food. That becomes a kitchen. Zomato, Swiggy. The same 5-inch screen becomes a ticket window and the billing counter. Again, the single tap, bill is paid, tickets for anything is booked. What else do you require, my dear friends? That's what the mobile phone is, which saves the human life in emergency. A road accident, one does not need to find and look for the STD PCOs today. Emergency number on the phone, or the same phone can help you to call the police, to call ambulance. That can again be saving your life. This has become the best surveillance tool. You are having a business in Ahmedabad, you are in the Delhi, you are able to see whatsoever is happening in your factory, company or shop on the same 16 screen. I can call it a magic box, which is making our life very easy, comfortable and convenient. But as every day is followed by the night, so does the mobile phone. We are not able to see the birds in the sky because any bird takes 3 to 4 rounds of a mobile tower dies because of the radiation emitted by the mobile towers. A study has revealed if one egg is surrounded by the 10 ringing mobile for the 3 minutes regularly, egg is boiled. It means it is causing the global warming too. Moreover, my dear friends, people using mobile phone while driving can lose their life, and it is sad. Every year 10,000 accidents. 10,000 people lose their life in accident just because of mobile phone, and many people, more than 1 lakh in the world, are injured. A single mobile phone. Every time notification is the best distraction for everyone, which does not allow you to focus on anything. 24/7, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. It's more than a drug. That's why there are many now organizations coming up for the mobile de-addiction. It means mobile phone has become an addiction today. At last but not the least, we should never ever forget mobile phone was for the emergencies to use. It was never there to make us dependent. So we should use the mobile phone with the right mind and the right hand. That's all about the mobile phone. Thank you. This is the way you need to deliver presentation. Now, did I say it can help us in doing this? Did I say once even it can help us? No. I said it enables us doing this. या तो ये हमें काबिल बनाता है ये करने के. I said the 5-inch screen becomes a ticket window or a billing counter. I was giving example. Your examples were missing. Can you give me the presentation on the mobile phone in next 2 minutes? Can each one of you give at least 3 examples of any use of mobile phone in my way in next 3 minutes? Now you have listened to me, you have something in the mind. Just make the correct sentence and give me the example. You can set it down.